Shorty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse, she the...
These are all the items you will need to apply your fabulous lashes. First, you're going to make sure to apply some mascara to your natural lashes. This will help blend them in with the falsies. I'm going to show you a trick to help you apply your lashes at the very right place. So what you do is you just put some eyeliner on. You make sure you outline that part of your eye so whenever you apply your lash, you know exactly where to place it. Honestly, it doesn't even have to be like the smoothest line in the world. Just make sure that you apply some so that you know where to place your lash, and you're also able to hide the lash band in a way. So just place that eyeliner on there, girl. So before you stick the glue on, see which side is the shortest. You want to make double sure that you're applying your lashes on the right area, because if not, it will show. Next, you're going to take some lash glue and place that along the strip of the lash. Make sure that you don't have too much lash glue. You have a good enough amount to layer and spread, but make sure at the ends you get a good amount so that whenever they're drying, they'll be able to stick to the corners of your eye. The key to making your lash stay is having them dry for at least 1 minute and 12 seconds. Now you're just going to place your lash in the middle. I'd say start in the middle and go to the very end and stick it on, and then go to the very front and stick that on. So where I applied that eyeliner is exactly where I am going to stick my lash on. Also, whenever you apply lashes, make sure to put them right above your natural lash. You see how I am getting super close to my lash line? Now, when you feel like your lashes are on, you're going to take your pointer finger and your thumb and you're going to press your false lash and your natural lash together to make them blend in even more. That is another key. And that is the final look. If you are a beginner, I recommend that you get these natural lashes for flawless control. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.